Hey, cake lovers! Welcome to Master Cake Baking Home and Business Tips. I'm here to guide you through the process of baking the perfect cake, whether it's for your family or your customers. Let's get started. First things first, always preheat your oven. Set it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. This ensures your cake bakes evenly. Now, gather your ingredients. You'll need flour, sugar, eggs, butter, baking powder, and milk. For a basic cake, use 2 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, 4 eggs, 1 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a cup of milk. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. This can take around 5 minutes. Then add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Next, sift your flour and baking powder together. This ensures there are no lumps and your cake has a nice even texture. Gradually add the flour mixture to your wet ingredients, alternating with the milk. Mix until everything is just combined. Overmixing can make your cake dense, so be gentle. If you're baking at home, pour the batter into a greased and floured cake tin. For a business setting, consider using uniform cake pans for consistent results. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. For those selling cakes, presentation is key. A smooth buttercream finish, perfect piping, and creative decorations can make your cake stand out. Invest in good quality tools like piping bags, tips, and an icing smoother. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and designs. And most importantly, have fun with it. Baking should be a joy, not a chore. So whether you're baking for home or business, these tips will help you create beautiful, delicious cakes every time. Happy baking! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more baking tips and tricks. See you next time on Upstart.